Document360 versus Notion. Which one is better? Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, we're going to do a step-by-step in-depth comparison of Notion and Document360. These two platforms are popular choices for documentation and knowledge management, but they serve different needs. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of which tool is right for you, your team, or your business. So let's get started. Starting off with a basic introduction. First off, we have Notion. Notion is a versatile productivity platform. You can get started for free by clicking on Get Notion for free. Once you do that, you can sign up via Google, Apple, or Microsoft, or even your email. I'm just going to proceed on with my sign up over here, and just like so, my Notion account can be created. So once you have created your account on Notion, it allows you to combine note-taking, databases, project management, wikis, all in a single workspace. It can be used for individuals, teams, or companies that want everything from personal task lists to company-wide knowledge bases. Now, on the other hand, Document360 in itself is a focused platform. It is specialized in knowledge base and it is designed primarily for creating, organizing, and publishing documentation, especially for customer-facing or internal knowledge bases. Document360 focuses on structured content, advanced analytics, and a seamless collaboration feature. So to get started with Document360, you're going to have to sign up via your business email. So we're going to log on over here, and it's kaiko@lilydavis.site, and we're just going to proceed with our password over here. And once you sign up by your business email, you're going to be led to their basic onboarding. So again, you're going to add your basic information. After that, you can provide your website URL. This is optional. You can skip that as well. And then you have your branding logo. So you can click to upload and upload your own logo over here. And then you can choose your brand colors as well. Then after that, you have your project name, which I'm going to name Spencer. And then we're just going to click on next over here. After that, you can choose the privacy of your documentation. And then we're just going to click on next. Just like that, your first project on Docu360 will be created. Now, what are the core uses of each one of these platforms? Well, starting off with Notion. Notion is great for note-taking, project management, and personal productivity. It can be a flexible fit for many different workflows, while Document360 is a specialized tool. It is purpose-built, so it specifically does a great job with building knowledge bases. So if you need a professional and scalable knowledge base, Document360 is going to be designed for that exact purpose. So it's meant for project management or general note-taking. Now, when we're talking about the user experience, you guys can see Document360 is all about structured documentation. You can get multiple different editor options, including Markdown and WYSI, and you also have organized content, which is very straightforward with categories and subcategories. You guys can see on the left, we have our dashboard. Then below that, we have our documentation, which is going to be the major part of what you're going to be doing. Now, this is a getting started template. I can click on the top right and then just click on delete to delete this getting started guide. Once I do that, I can proceed with clicking on create, and I can create a category of articles. Let's say this is going to be relating to shipping. So I can just add that name here and then choose the location. So I want to add this as a folder within my basic page and then just click on create. Once I do that, I can click on create article to proceed with my article. So this is going to be titled shipping times, and then I can click on create. And after that, I can proceed with adding the relevant article. So I can type a / for some of their commands and formatting, as well as insert images, videos, links, and even reuse my own content. Now, in comparison to this is what Notion looks like. Now, by default, Notion is a block-based editor where everything, whether it's a image or a text, it is going to be in the form of a block that you can move around. So if I do a title, let's say this is going to be my shipping guide here. So I'm building a page for my shipping guide, and I can do a /, and if I scroll down and I add a table view, you guys can see this table is in the form of a block, and if I move this block, I can move the entire table wherever I want it. I can choose the sizing and customize this. So you can start with a blank page or use one of Notion's many templates. They have several different types of templates available. So if you want a documentation hub, you can do that as well, and collaboration is easy with real-time editing and comments that are enabled. Now, what about AI? Well, Notion Notion offers AI, which can help you in generating content, summarizing notes, as well as translating text, and even to search across your connected apps like Slack or Google Drive. It's a powerful assistant for everyday productivity. Whereas if I was to compare this to Docu360, it has its own AI assistant called Eddie, and Eddie helps with writing, generating SEO and descriptions, suggested titles, and summarizes your content. So if I am building my article on Docu360 like so, and you guys can see I have this little icon here. This is Eddie AI, and I want to ask Eddie AI to write a general shipping guide for my retail business. And I can just click on enter, and then it will generate my content for me. So this is an AI-powered search tool, and they even have their own AI-powered search, making it for users to find relevant information that they might need very quickly. What about collaboration? Well, Docu360 offers granular access control, so it can decide exactly who can view or edit each part of your knowledge base. It's also built with security in mind, with SOC2 and GDPR compliance, so you can collect feedback directly on articles and analyze them to improve your documentation. Now, if I was to compare this to Notion, Notion does allow you to invite guests and set roles based upon permissions, and you can co-edit them in real time, leave comments on any block. However, some advanced permissions are only available on the paid plans. So I do think when it comes to team collaboration, both have some excellent features. But what about analytics? Now, Notion does provide you with some basic analytics like page views or version history, but it's just enough for small teams. It can be enough for personal use, but it cannot be too detailed. When it comes to Docu360, Docu360 is a tool that is specifically designed, so it offers you advanced analytics. It has a separate analytics tab where you can track article views, engagements, broken links, as well as use that as your feedback. You can use these insights to continuously improve your documentation and user experience. Now, Document360 allows you integrations with platforms like Zendesk and GitHub, whereas Notion allows you integrations with platforms like GitHub, Slack, Figma, Jira, and Google Drive, which can help you in syncing and embedding data. So if I want to connect my calendar, I can click on Get Started and connect my Google Calendar here to have one cohesive calendar, rather than having my work calendar and personal calendar be segregated. Now, Notion is highly customizable for internal use. However, public branding options are limited, and there is no native homepage builder for advanced theming for external documentation, whereas Document360 allows you to build your own public interface or public website. So your public knowledge base includes a homepage builder, color themes, as well as custom menus and font options. So you can create a fully branded customer-facing knowledge base. You can access all of this under Site Builder, and then from here you can customize all of your branding as well as your domain, article settings, SEO, and so much more. Now let's talk about pricing. Notion offers a generous free plan. Now if you do choose to upgrade, you have the Plus plan at $10 per member per month, where you have unlimited collaborative blocks, custom font sites, and more. Then the business plan at $20 per user per month with verification of pages, private team spaces, and Notion AI, including enterprise search and AI meeting notes and research modes. Now, comparing this to Document360, Document360's plan is tier-based, and they have not currently on their website, and their business plan has customized workflow builders integratable with 30 tools with pro analytics dashboards, as well as a support ticket deflator. So which tool should you be using? Go for Notion if you need a flexible all-in-one tool, because Notion does have everything from notes, projects, to internal wikis. You can create all with these flexible team spaces and workspaces. If you're considering a platform for your company's documentation, Document360 stands out compared to Notion because it has AI features with AI search and a writing suite. It has one platform for all of your documentation needs. It allows you to build and manage a centralized knowledge base, technical documentations, SOPs, user manuals, and even API docs, all in one place. And it's multilingual, supporting over 50 languages. They have an advanced reader analytic, which helps you in understanding and tracking reader behavior and engagement patterns. They have enterprise-grade security and collaboration. So for sensitive business documents, you know they are stored securely. They have scalability and customization, and everything is made easy with the help of Eddie AI. because Eddie is always there to enhance and improve on what you're writing and help you in making sure that everything can be done effectively and efficiently. While Notion does excel at personal organization, Document 360 is engineered for growing businesses, offering advanced AI features, secure document management, analytics, and seamless integrations that Notion simply can't match.